Alright guys, how are you guys doing today? We don't come. Happy weekend to every one of you. As you all know that yesterday was a little bit challenging to us, that StreamYard failed all over the world. We couldn't do our proper broadcast. But don't worry, StreamYard is back. Tonight, fingers crossed, we are gonna put everything together. But on this particular one, now VDM, as you all know that a video that I posted yesterday, VDM came out to criticize Burnaboy, Davido and Wizkid for excessive spending. As you know that Burnaboy spent 3.2 billion naira on one particular, just one car. So a lot of people lambasted on VDM, no be small, which I'm going to be adding that video on this particular, this particular video to tally it up. A lot of people lambasted on him, saying does he have right to control or to tell Davido, Wizkid or Burnaboy how to spend their money, Then VDM just come back now, can't respond to people who lambasted on him, but this way, go shock now. And I'm going to put all of them together so that you understand where we are coming from. Let's take these videos together.
Alright, so because of the video I posted yesterday about Davido, Wizkid and Burnaboy, I've seen a lot of comments. First things first, I even forget to add one name, which I'll still add. Now, for all the comments, that one on our business. I don't pass my message. The people, when I pass on to, they like me, they take them. They like me, they not take them. That's their business. Now, I've seen comments a lot. People say, these people don't owe you shit. It's their money, they made it, they don't owe you shit. Channel this energy towards the government. The government are responsible for all these things. Why are you calling their names? Now, let me tell you something, right? These people don't owe you shit. You are wrong. Channel the energy towards the government. You are also very, very wrong. You are also very, very wrong. Let me break it down. I'll break it down for you. You cannot hold the government responsible if you don't love your country. A lot of you in Nigeria lack patriotism. That's why this country is falling apart. The mistake everybody makes is thinking that the problem of Nigeria is at the top. It is not at the top. It's from the bottom. The people have a problem. A lot of you lack patriotism. That is why somebody go the shit on top of Ikeja Bridge. Where they close to the airport, people were passing, motor they pass. None of them thought to stop and say what you are doing is wrong. No, you can't shit here. You lack patriotism. You don't love your country that much. You say that, oh, something is going wrong. Let me stop it. You feel like it's not your concern. That is a problem. So with this mentality, you cannot hold your government responsible when you don't love your country. And average Nigerians do not love Nigeria. They act like they do, but they don't. It is a problem. You people lack patriotism. Now you are telling me that Burnaboy, Davido and Wizkid don't hold Nigeria anything. Let me tell you the truth. Everybody hold Nigeria something. Everybody hold Nigeria something. Now let's go to the celebrities. That's what we call CSR, corporate social responsibility. This is the definition, but I'll go to the main part. It says, CSR is the idea that businesses have a responsibility to act in a way that benefits society, not just shareholders. Why it matters? Consumer, investors, and employees are increasingly seeking companies that demonstrate a commitment to social responsibilities. Example of CSR. Environmental responsibility, reducing carbon footprints, using renewable energy and conserving resources. Ethical labor and practices, fair wages, safe working conditions, and avoiding discrimination. Charitable givings, donating to causes, sponsoring community initiative, and volunteering. Stakeholder engagement, involving stakeholders in decision making and ensuring their interests are considered. Now, let's go to charitable giving. Say donating to causes, sponsoring community initiative. This initiative for empowerment. So at the end of the day, everybody owes everybody something for a society to grow. You cannot leave it for the government alone. How many government officials in Nigeria? How many Nigerians in Nigeria? Like I said, the problem we have is that you people are not patriotic enough. You don't love Nigeria that much. That's why you feel your 1 naira should not go to the betterment of the country. That it is only the governments that are meant to put the whole money into the betterment of Nigeria. It is a problem. You need to condition your mind to love Nigeria before you can hold the government accountable. This government that you see, they watch the people on the ground. That's why they act the way that they act. When they start seeing that the people have started moving in the direction of putting hands together to better the society, it will automatically register in their brain that, wait a minute, these people don't really need us no more. They are beginning to do a lot of things by themselves. Maybe it is time to start acting right. The problem is not at the top. The problem is from the bottom. And the country like Nigeria, it is because a lot of you worship money. So the government know that even if they don't do their responsibility, during election, they give you peanuts. That's number one. Number two, people that say they don't owe you shit. Let me tell you something. If to say Oyibo get this mentality, a lot of us for the hungry. Let me break it down. The person where do Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. The person where do YouTube and co, where they do all this media. When people started using this thing, they were making a lot of money. At a point, they now stop to say, wait, it's time to give back to these people. A lot of my own, they create all those videos that time, not just they create them because now one popular. By then, what people were using to make money is that when you don't popular, they'll come call you for show. Now the money where they pay you for those shows, now you can use the sustain. But these people felt like, okay, the world has become digital. It's time to give back. Oh yeah, now let's start the monetization program so that people can get back. That's why today you and I can earn on Facebook. A lot of things I do is from my Facebook money and some of my social media money. Don't joke. I can sit down in my house and use that money to flex. Come on, man. But now I am in debt. I swear to God who made me, I am in debt. I spend more than waiting the social media they give me. But a lot of people are living off these things. They get paid on YouTube. A lot of bloggers in Nigeria as well. Even these so-called musicians. If those people, these Oyibo people, don't think of saying we need to give back to the society, a lot of them, when they make money through streaming, they will not eat. There's a need for CSR. There's a big need for CSR. You have a social responsibility. Don't feel like you don't owe nobody anything. Who told you that? If you cannot put your 1 cent to the betterment of Nigeria and our government won't do them, you did Chris. You did Chris? They don't owe you nothing. You will talk and you don't think. You want Nigeria to be better, but you don't love Nigeria enough to put your 1 naira to it. You say nobody owe you anything. Who tell you that? Now let me come back again to the celebrities. For each and every one of us, when they don't popular, reach where we say people know them, it is not a coincidence. If not coincidence, a lot of people will be popular people. You have been called. Understand that you have been called. Even the people where they do porn, they have been called. It's for the balance of the world, for dark and evil, for dark and light, for good and evil. The entertainers have been called to get people out of depression. The pastors have been called to remind people of their calling, to remind people that, oh, there's heaven. The policemen have been called to protect people. A lot of you with the platform think, okay, it's just for you to make money and sit down in your houses. No. You have been called to do something, down to the comedians. Everybody have been called. Understand this today. Then you will know that you have a social responsibility. You say nobody owe you anything. That mentality is a problem. Especially when it concerns society. When it concerns the country. Patriotism is what we lack in Nigeria. That's why the country is like this. Now, I went very dark man and some other persons that talk for the betterment of the country. When we talk, they call us cloud chasers. Because they don't feel the need to talk about these things. They don't feel the need to say, oh, Nigeria is my country. I need to talk about these things. You remember that day? Let's go back to that Lagos thing that happened. Pack that shit. The guy pack him. Before then, that girl I said, oh, Lagos is smelling. This guy where they call real estate people out, don't talk say Lagos they smell. Now I went to Lagos, I saw that thing. Guess what Lagos government is doing now? They see, if they catch you, they pour dirty inside water, they go arrest you. If they smell any area where they smell, they see you, they pick you up. We contributed a voice. The government are beginning to act on it because we are shown patriotism. If we didn't show patriotism, government no go act. Now to sum this all up, I forget one other point. To sum this all up, you see this very dark man you are seeing. I don't give a flying fuck about nobody. That's what you people don't understand. Nobody they feed me. Oh. Nobody they feed me. I don't feel the need to have popular friends. I don't feel the need to. If we say ourselves and we vibe, there's no problem. Do you understand? But thinking that, okay, yes, because of say me and one popular person are friends, then I no go talk. It is sickness. I am old. I don't old reach that point where we say I know say, guy, very, very soon if you keep buckets. Do you understand? So it's better to start now when I still get the strength to start to the talk. We get a lot of people where they listen to me, but they understand patriotism before I buy. Give myself, yes, maybe 60, 70 years more to come. We don't go. 60, 70 years, no foul. See what they show in car. You don't hear. A lot of them, they started this thing. Nobody owes you nothing. Anyways, it's a lot of don't play. If you play, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
Or make una see something. Now they see people they condemn Burnaboy and Davido because they carry their money go buy motor. Me I no go follow condemn them. You understand? Very dark man. He thought say those people then they useless to Nigeria. They know they useless. You understand? He got everything I hate for my life and I to water down people effort. To water down people effort. Now Burnaboy carry money go pay hospital bill for Port Harcourt. Sick people for Port Harcourt. He clear all their hospital bill. Say make them go. Say make them no charge them again. You understand? Nobody. That's in my own way of. You cannot tell people how to be charitable. You understand? Everybody wants to get your own money and they want the charitable. You do. You understand? They know. Should be all of us agree. Say nobody supposed to be entitled. Very dark man. You remember when Cubana Chief Priest brother come out begin to say, Cubana Chief Priest no one help. Now you do video to say, he's entitled. Say which kind of entitlement be this, you understand? Nobody, see. Okay, you get one question where I say, waiting Davido go say non do for shoe stage, you understand? Not only on shoe stage Davido come from, Davido from Nigeria. Davido don't impact many people like financially, academically, don't be everything he go even post, you understand? So me, you see that one, I disagree with them. I know some people go happy, yes, you're right. Hungry people. Seriously, very dark man, make we very realistic. You be person will be say, I love you with my life, you understand? So I go tell you the truth. Make I give you another instance. Make I give you this instance now. Very dark man, Shebi, they give people money to learn work. 500,000, 1 million naira, 200,000, make them go learn work. Make I say, don't give 100 people money, you understand, to learn work. You know, say the way when Nigeria be, not be all of them go succeed. Out of the 100, maybe in 10 go even succeed. The other 90 go just learn the work. They useless because Nigeria no opportunity, you understand? So tomorrow now, those people go to say, no, try, no, you have done what you can do. You have done your best as a celebrity. You have contributed your own part, you understand? Now, so God put up for your heart, now so you don't. You cannot tell people how to be charitable. The way when God they direct you, you understand? Now so you do your own, you understand? Now God say, make the video carry money, go give motherless baby home them. So in drum, according because now him work for them, you understand? And another thing, make celebrity no buy car. People they work to buy their desire, waiting and desire for their life, you understand? Many they look people they laugh, say, not true, they no one give. Some of them when I get 100,000 for an account, when a friend go beg on say make you give 10,000 on a no go agree because on a don't budget 50,000 for a shower on a no satisfaction, but another one but our own luxury. That a shower way one carry without 50,000, make it remain 50,000. Now your own luxury. That's why you're not going to give another person. You understand? What the fuck this Nigerian guys will be saying? They carry 8 million naira buy hair, 10 million naira, 6 million naira, 2 million naira buy hair. Make them not buy the hair. Now make anytime when they see the 2 million naira, instead of them to buy hair, make them say, see this person, make I just go do this here. And almost on time, take care of yourself. Now waiting the video, then they do. They work, see, they are working for their own satisfaction. You understand? So they go first take care of themselves. Then when God lead for their heart, then go give. Then they try. Burnaboy clear hospital B. You understand? For Port Harcourt, that thing is a big thing. Where we say nobody don't do. You understand? Davido share 200 million to motherless baby home. Now so God lead them for. So yeah, they are not useless. You know how many people we say Davido don't give sometimes $3,000, $2,000, don't just in the dash. Make them just put for their business. You understand? All those things now human investment. You know go cancel and say they are useless. No. No be until them do road, then do house. That one a government work. You understand? That one a government work. Is if Davido like if you do road really to your own house so that the neighbors then go benefit, which is okay as a human being. You understand? But don't be say go say that they are not useless.
From you. But I don't blame you. These kind of things will continue because Nigerians love to worship money. If not, therefore, no say 3 of now no get used to us.
No. Very dark man, I no go lie to you. I go disagree with you because they try to water down their little effort. As I say, I like you where if anybody come tomorrow say very dark man, you waiting in on do for people, you understand? Try to water down your effort, you understand? I go follow that person drag, you understand? I go follow the person. I no go agree, you understand? Let's use Tunde Enoch for example. See this Tunde Enoch here. Tunde Enoch they help people in they buy people car. Different people for the past 6 years in birthday in they donate car give people, you understand? Let's say tomorrow now Tunde buy private jet, buy 3 Rolls Royce. First go come they say, Tunde, what have you done for Nigeria? You're wasting money. Money where supposed to no. no. They need to take care of themselves. They be human being. They don't come this life country foul. Then they work for their own comfort, you understand? Waiting God lead for their heart for them to do, then go do. Then go do. Nigerians make on stop that thing. For abroad, they see all this Eddie Sheeran and them, all this Jay-Z them. Then they work out freely. What they do, they not do, nobody send, you understand? Because people they look music like work, you understand? I dedicate this song to understand that I will get sense. Anybody who invest for me for this video, turn the fire ram. Imonti yora, hanamanini ashayere, orishak bagam, orishak pala akuko, origo, imonti yora, hanamanini ashayere, orishak bagam, orishak pala akuko. I don't say hungry people can say, yeah, what is it about this one talking? I gotta go work for your own money, so that when you begin give people, you go now see the beef for body. Ewu.
Very dark man, na very bad person you be, and you are using emotional intelligence on gullible Nigerians. How dare you come for Davido? The same guy that brought you close. You had the audacity, the temerity to come on social media and set him up for dragging. You dey talk say Burnaboy, Wizkid, Davido, they buy car, they sham off on social media. They are entertainers. Entertainment is all about showing off. It is called showbiz for a reason. Davido is a very good man where they help people on a daily, where they empower people. Davido get foundation. Davido they do charity on a daily basis. Davido they give out billions yearly. You came on social media to say Davido never do anything for Osun State. Say Wizkid never do anything for Surulere. Say Burnaboy never do anything. I really don't blame you, VDM. Now people where they donate to your Mumu NGO, I blame. Over 300 million day in your possession. You don't show working, no. You never show working for the money where they your possession. You had the temerity to come out and call out Davido where bring you close. Now Davido I blame for having a soft heart to bring person like you close. You came on social media to set him up for dragging? Is that who you are, VDM? You are just hating on these people because you don't go fear achieve what they don't achieve until you buy, nothing you won't tell me. Because when it comes to empowerment, Davido they empower people on a daily basis. The guy they do charity work. The guy is a very good person where they help people, even off camera self. They do them for people, they run them for people. Helping people, na Davido's lifestyle. Na the life when they live, na normal level. You know they say I'm as anything. You came on social media because you dey seek validation. You talk say you never do anything for anybody. Say blah blah blah. Say when they now enter power, how you go be? You dey envy Davido because you see I'm with Tinubu the other day. That what thing they paying you? You dey envy Davido because you know say where Davido go fit enter, your shadow no go fit enter there. Now what thing they paying you? In life, watch people you call your friends. It's very, very important. Watch the people you bring close to you. Person like VDM na snake, he go come close to you, know all your secrets. At the end of the day, he go carry him attack you. Now that kind person. Just small clothes where Davido bring you. You don't they see him finish. You don't they come on social media, they insult him, they insult your papa VDM. I pour you spit for face. Poor! You cannot make us to dislike Davido. Davido don't day before you come. And Davido na good person where they help people on a daily basis. He's a very good guy where they empower people. Don't try to poison the minds of people against Davido because you know who you be. You don't always try to appear as the good person by painting others black. Over 300 million day your possession, VDM. You never carry them do anything where we don't see. You never carry them execute any tangible project. Victor Oshime don't invite you come Turkey. You carry your guys, Toto P, and your brother go. Why you no pack all the poor Nigerians go that trip? Why you no pack everybody go? Since you want to be the Messiah, you want to be Nigerians Black Jesus, why you no pack all the poor people go Turkey? You no go talk bad about yourself. Now other people you go to talk bad about. VDM, stop this thing. Leave Davido alone. Davido no be your problem. Davido is not even a politician. And whatever Davido don't earn, he earned it through hard work. His talent. Davido don't force anybody make the stream in music. Now because saying they give you value, you dey stream in music, you dey go in show, you love what he does. Davido is not a politician. He is not answerable to us. If you have a problem with the way things are going, go talk to Tinubu. I'm an OG. That's why I'm saying this to you.
Oh, I love you, Radio God.
And I can't keep repeating myself.
I'm making a see problem. See this video where they do now for my rate members, you understand? And they do this video to educate you, so that when I go outside, go they argue with people, you know, be rate, and I look at the disgrace on yourself, you understand? Rate. If I like, make I don't say, oh, you turn the fire on, you understand? Me, I go talk by myself. Ratel, oh yeah. Now let's go there. Almost seriously, my rate members make a tell on the truth. Nobody like very dark man reach me. I like very dark man with my life, you understand? But you get one thing about me. No matter how I like person reach, even my family member, you make mistake. I must correct you. I must tell you the truth in my own way, you understand? Now many of them they say, very dark man no call them useless. So he no call them useless. See in caption for Instagram. See on the same caption. On the same. He say 3 of them are useless. He no spell the useless normally the way they spell useless. In spell and with type, but this word means they are useless. Are they truly useless? No. Now he come to say they never empower anybody. Say Davido, Wizkid, and Burnaboy, they never empower anybody. Now let's go to the empowerment. What is empowerment? Empowerment. Authority or power given to someone to do something, you understand? A process of becoming stronger or more confident, especially in controlling one's life or claiming right. Have these people empowered anybody? Yes, I will prove it to now. Make a prove and say Burnaboy, Wizkid, and Davido. They have empowered many people, more than even more anybody we want to know, you understand? Even Don Jazzy don't empower many people. Let's go there.
You come from Port Harcourt. Which if you talk say Port Harcourt people don't benefit from you?
When I hear the question when I ask Burnaboy, say what Burnaboy don't do for Port Harcourt people before, you understand? I go take all the question one by one. You say now make you talk what Burnaboy don't do, you understand? Make on a carry on a phone, rate members. That's the same for when they take insult people online, you understand? When they take one reason, you understand? Take and enter Google now. Google the Rich Nigeria Foundation. The Rich Nigeria Foundation. Now Burnaboy they funded that foundation. That foundation then they pay school, then they do squeeze accusation, then they train people to learn handwork, then they pay people school fees, then they help people like they don't help many vulnerable people for River State, you understand? And now Burnaboy they fund them. Is that not empowerment? If they send it to go learn salon, send it to go learn hairdresser, send you pay your school fees so that you be educated to hustle for your own self. Have they not empowered you? Is that not empowerment? Must they announce everything? And now Burnaboy they fund them all. I know so many people don't believe, you know why? Because Nigeria are the only country where we say you go see person where we say you get 2 hands and 2 legs. You still they find less privileged treatment. You find person to treat them like motherless baby, like who no get mama and papa, you understand? You get 2 hands and 2 legs. The same way everybody they hustle, you understand, to help people. Instead of them, you go they find them the one called the do sympathy, you understand? Orga. These people they're helping people. Now, second, look and see the question when I ask Davido.
The state where you come from, what can you beat your chest to say you have done for the people of Osun State?
How much when they hear the question where Very Dark Man they ask Davido, say what you don't do for Osun people, you understand? And I know why Davido won the best me because Very Dark Man is the chief in saying say that one Nigeria say maybe by doing for your state people alone and all those kind of things. So in fact he say only need to look in state people say need to do for the whole Nigeria. But he reach Davido and Wizkid on he carry Wizkid go Joe Leba, carry Davido go Osun, carry Burnaboy go Port Harcourt, you understand? My brother analyze now one Nigeria. Now make I tell you now what Davido don't do. You see this Israel, maybe Davido brother, Davido no before they no go to the primary school, you understand? If you look Israel, you know say Israel no supposed to be entertainment. Israel na plumber, vulcanizer, onion people they pack shit, you understand? But the video brought him in, employed him, made him logistic manager. This for life, Israel they on salary, you understand? He changed Israel life. Not only Israel, many people they work with them. They see they know their company, you know their music na industry. For their industry, then they connect, then they help themselves. The video don't sign many people who say Peruzzi, them help their life. And may or code them, you understand? All those things now empower them because then they sell line with them. And apart from that, the video they pay people school fees, like in they do scholarship for Adeleke University. In they pay for over how many years? All those things. What is empowerment? Empowerment is giving people the ability to push up. So if you pay person school fees to be an economy, the person will be economy in life, you understand? You pay person to go less alone, the person will do. That means they are empowering people, you understand? You know, seriously, now what you make see rate, let's be educated. Seriously, let's be educated. Nobody see I like nobody like Very Dark Man reach me, you understand? Nobody before God and man. But you know, it now so my own view, as a be, we go correct them. We love ourselves, they go, you understand? If you don't like them, turn the fire you. Almost seriously, Nigeria, make the reason like people get sense. Some people they compare them to American artists, say American artists, then they open company. How many American artists get company apart from Jay-Z and Kanye West? Only few of them. 85% of them don't get company. The church way that they do charity, they support people for handwork and all those things, you understand? They help people with money to build their life, you understand? Now the same thing they do, then they do. But on our own Nigeria, on almost blame, on almost because of a family problem, when they find who to treat on like less privilege, and I go carry on a problem, they pop for person, shame on. Psycho. Now, even the opening of companies, if you go open company when you don't get idea like business now, but if the video don't get idea for business, no need now to they enjoy money, they help people, you understand? Make you no go open business, you go fail. Remember all this our old musician then now, African China, then they go open pure water company. Hey, African China, they open pure water company, all those things don't close because they don't feel maintain them. Then their staff don't go, you understand? Hey, halfway empowerment, that be that one, you get? So use your common sense. Use Nigerians make on the reason, you understand? Make on the reason. See the word where the best mean. Like this one when he say they are useless. He said it. Rata members, he said, see, I may write for a caption, I hear write them. Say the 3 of them are useless. They are not. Yeah, Very Dark Man, see you they try, you be my bro, you they try, I'm not gonna lie to you. You they try, but sometimes you get some things, you go just use logic, you understand? Talk. And if to say talk this thing like advice, like Davido, if to say I see and David Wizkid and Burnaboy dinner, when I feel just maybe give one person money if I don't get chance, open company, you understand? Maybe the person can't employ people, even if I don't want to look, just give the person money to open, it could be advice, but to say they are useless, say they need to empower people. No. No way. I dedicate this song to all ratters so that una go get sense in Jesus' name. I'm not gonna take note. Nobody fit pursue me come up from ratter. You see this ratter want enter, we die there. We stay there, you understand? We give them, you understand? I be ratter member. Ratter, if I like, we can say, oh yeah, shame on, you understand? Psycho, I dedicate this song. Imonti yoron, anamanini ashayere, erishe bakam, erishe bala akuko, origo, imonti yoron, anamanini ashayere, erishe bakam, peace be unto everybody. Use your head, no Allah hungry control you. May they behave like mumu.
So I don't know what will be your own take, but I would like to read it. Put it on the comment section. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Let's continue to talk about things that are affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.